Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Costco location on the Costco app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your Costco location. Maybe you move states, maybe you just moved around the city. How do you actually go ahead and change your Costco location? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Costco app. Then in the upper hand corner, you're going to see a banner. Go ahead and click on that banner that says where you're just delivering to. And then this warehouse and delivery option should appear. Go ahead and click on change warehouse. And with it, this is where you'll be able to change your warehouse for the Costco app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your Costco location. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.